It's about 10:30 p.m. right now, an hour and a half before midnight, before 2012, the start of the new year. Getting a snowfall here. It's very wet, sticky snow. Looks like about, I don't know, a little less than 2 inches of snow on the ground. But this is really the first substantial snowfall of the season. But it prettied up the landscape. It was just brown everywhere. There's no snow cover at all anywhere. So this is the first real snow cover of the season. And so finally looks like winter in Minnesota, at least this part of Minnesota. Some cattails by the pond out back here. Probably not safe to be walking on the ice. We've had so many warm days here, some staying by the shoreline. So this looks like perfect snowman kind of snowball snow. It packs really tight. So, but it isn't going to be around very long. It's supposed to warm up again, so this is probably a pretty temporary snow cover. But yeah, it's been just really strange weather, warm weather in Minnesota here for the last couple months.